Mechanized cleaning. Mechanized cleaning is also known as machine-based cleaning. Plays as important role in cleaning. Mechanized cleaning has efficiency, consistency, safety, time saving, enhanced cleaning outcomes and cost effectiveness. Mechanized cleaning equipment such as vacuum cleaners, floor scrubbers, and carpet cleaners are designed to perform cleaning tasks quickly and efficiently. They can cover larger areas in less time compared to manual cleaning methods, thereby increasing productivity. Consistency. Machines are programmed to perform cleaning tasks consistently, ensuring a standardized level of cleanliness throughout the facility. This is particularly important in large establishments where maintaining uniform cleanliness is essential. Ergonomics and safety. Mechanized cleaning reduces the physical strain on housekeeping staff. Heavy lifting, repetitive motions and bending are minimized with the use of machines, promoting better occupational health and safety. Time saving. By automating certain cleaning tasks, housekeeping staff can focus their time and energy on other important duties such as guest services, maintaining public areas, and attending to specific cleaning needs that can't be handled by machines. Enhanced cleaning outcomes. Mechanized cleaning equipment often incorporates advanced technologies such as HEPA filters in vacuums, steam cleaners, and ultraviolet, UV, light sanitization. These technologies help improve indoor air quality, remove allergens, kill bacteria, and provide a more thorough and hygienic cleaning experience. Cost effectiveness. While the initial investment in mechanized cleaning equipment can be higher, in the long run, it can lead to cost savings. The increased efficiency and reduced labor requirements can help optimize staffing levels, minimize the use of chemical cleaning agents, and prolong the lifespan of flooring and other surfaces, resulting in lower maintenance and replacement cost. Thank you.